men learn how to work with the lady. So in the Tao we said 3 gates, G-A-T-E, gates. So you have 3 gates that you need to open. So the first gate we call the clit. So now we know the clit is big, not only the tip of the iceberg. The clitoris, the clit, very small,
right?
But the whole body, the leg is so big, and the body inside is high inside.
Okay.
So when you see the clit here, you have a whole leg here, you have the whole body behind.
Okay.
So in the slide we have all the pictures to see how big they are. So you have to work with the clits. So we call the number 1, we call clits, clitoris ejaculation, the clit. If you don't, so men have to be very patient and compassionate. The first patient and compassion, you have to work until the lady ejaculation first.
Okay.
That is the key.
That's the key.
In the Tao said, don't sail your boat in the rocky river. If the lady not ejaculation, a lot of fluid in the vagina, you cannot go in. It's just like you're sailing your boat in a very rocky river.
Okay.
And it's not good.
Okay, that's not good. Okay.
So you have to work on the lady,
right,
until the lady ejaculation. So you have finger. So you have middle finger, index finger, and middle finger, and you work with it, and you work. So the technique is work here. People use machine and they're too numb. Okay. Because the tongue. So in the book we have the tongue kung fu. So they have to train the tongue. So they train the tongue every day also. Okay. Because the tongue is, if the tongue is short, no use. Tongue short, penis short. So if you practice your tongue every day, you make your tongue long, the penis, and you pull your penis. That is another exercise the man to do. You grab the whole testicle and penis, and you split your tongue, and you pull your penis down, and you suck your stomach upward. This is exercise. The woman also has to do that. They put the egg in, and we have a hole to make the string. So they put the egg into the vagina and have to squeeze the egg and hold, and you pull. If your egg cannot hold, it fall out. And you put them in again. You wash them and put them in because the jade, the stone. So it's okay. So you put them in, and you squeeze them hard, and you pull upward, and you pull downward. Okay. And the tongue, because tongue involved with the sexual organs.
Okay. All right. So 3 gates.
Yeah.
The first
gate. If they don't get the lady ejaculation, no way.
You can't get through the next gate.
You can get to the next gate.
Okay, so fingers, get the tongue long.
Tongue, finger, licking, whatever, make sure the lady ejaculation first. Okay. Because the first gate not open, the second gate will not open. Okay. Okay. Now the second gate, the West discovered that. That means in India, in the Tao, we discovered that. Also we call the mysterious gate. Okay, the mysterious gate. Why it called mysterious gate? Because women have the same prostate gland like men, exactly the same. They cramp on the urethra. So here the hole here vagina, and this another hole is urethra, and the prostate gland, or we call the ski, S-K-E-T-E, ski for lady. Actually, the prostate gland. The prostate gland are cramped on the urethra and on the top of the vagina. So if you put the finger, so usually we use this finger like this. Okay, you start with left because not too strong. Okay. So you put finger in. Okay. And you go like this. Okay. Now, when the first gate open, this one swollen up and very easy to find, but it's on the top. Okay. And the problem of man is, man penis is straight like this. Right. And nobody penis go this way.
Why not? It doesn't make any sense.
They can make the operation and make the penis this way. Okay, but
somebody wasn't thinking.
Okay. So now the only one way, no way unless you use the finger. Okay. Then no other way. Okay. Okay. So when you get the finger, the technique is important. The technique, because the whole key technique is you hold, and the hole is like this. You see?
Yeah.
That hole on the top is like this, exactly like this.
Okay.
And you hold like this, and you put your finger in.
Yeah.
In here, and you see you make sure your nail, very important, the nail. If your nail are too long and you are splinter on the nail not cut properly enough,
then
so you should
problem.
be file your nail very well.
Okay. Okay.
And keep it good.
Okay.
and short.
Okay.
And nothing come out. So when you do like that, you see, people have to train. So in the workshop with you have to train like
Practice
this.
on your own
Practice
hand.
on your
just
own
like
hand.
that. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
So you do it. Now,
I
because
hope we're
on
getting
the
some
top,
close-ups of this.
yeah. So you go like this, because right this you get a hole.
Okay.
You get a hole here.
Yeah.
So exactly that hole, and the penis cannot reach them.
Okay. Gotcha.
Not. So we say it's not built for penis. Crits also not built for penis.
Okay.
You're not going to get the penis and rub the crits until ejaculation. There's no way.
Okay. So this is the puzzle. Okay. So that's gate 1. Gate 2.
Gate 2.
Yeah.
So gate 2, when you go in,
Yeah.
we call, because that ski, skete, ski, or prostate gland of woman is on the top.
Okay.
And cramp on the urethra.
Okay.
And the penis cannot reach it.
Okay.
Only the finger can reach it.
Okay.
Okay. So when you go in, but you have to have technique, because this area very small, but women always change. And sometimes you work on here like this, and the lady, you have like this, and when you find that spot and you do like this more enough, and the woman ejaculation.
Okay. So it's technique.
But tomorrow, on the next day,
Could change.
it change again.
Okay.
Yeah. So
They
you
keep
have
us
to,
guessing, right?
You have to find Easter egg.
Easter egg. Yeah. Okay.
You
All
have
right.
to look for.
Let's get to the third gate.
The third gate.
How am I doing, by the way? I'm doing good here, right?
Yes.
Okay. Thank you.
If the first gate
Yeah.
not open, second gate, third gate will not open.
Right. Okay.
You got the third gate.
Where's the third gate? I don't even know.
Third gate is on the side of the cervix.
Okay.
And now for 1,000 years we know that when women have the third gate, we call the uterus orgasm. When the uterus orgasm is contracting. Okay. Now the Tao discovered this, so they have the whole exercise for that. So the women have to do that. When a lady feed the baby milk, they suck on the breast nipple, the uterus contract. So all ladies know it.
Okay.
And they're very pleasurable. So sometimes, baby sucking the milk, the uterus contraction, and the Holland, they do this research.
Okay.
They say when ladies have uterus orgasm, they have much lesser chance have uterus and breast cancer.
Okay.
Much chance. But sorry, 85% of women never have that.
Okay.
Yeah. 85% to 90% of women never experience the uterus
Because
orgasm.
I haven't been to your class.
Maybe. But the whole key is they have to work on the uterus contraction.
Okay.
How?
How?
Because from 1,000 years we know that when baby suck on the breast and the woman have a contraction on the uterus. Why? Because that nature built in. When you have baby, when they deliver the baby out, the baby very big. The uterus still very big. Only way is when baby suck on the breast and the uterus contract, and it goes smaller. When you're not contracting, the bladder too big, and it's later on cavitation prove, and it sack on the bladder, and it sack on the vagina, and now all sex gone, finished.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
Now, so women have to do that. They have to massage the breast, and they have pinch the nipple, and they have to pin a way that they can feel the uterus contract, and now they have an idea, the uterus, and they contract it.
Okay.
Okay. Now, men suck on the breast, not like baby suck.
Okay.
Yeah. Men cannot. When the lady have milk, men cannot. Now we forget so long already, and you suck on the nipple, no milk come out.
Yeah.
Only baby, they know how to suck because that's their life. If they don't suck, they die.
Yeah.
So that they have to use a lot of power inside the whole body, sucking the milk out.
Right.
Okay? So now when they suck that way, the uterus contract.
Okay.
So now when you feel that uterus contract, lady have to do 300 times a day.
Okay.
This one prevent cancer, prevent a lot of problem, because now the research already proved, but the 85 to 95% of uterus never have uterus orgasm.
Okay.
But if they do this contraction, the mouth connect here. Now the uterus contract.
This is what you have them do.
Yeah,
practice.
they have to.
Okay.
They have to start here and the nipple.
Okay, and then do that.
And if pain, a little bit pain,
Painful.
when it pain enough and you squeeze and you pull,
Right.
now you feel the uterus contact.
Okay.
Yeah.
And then how does the man help to get the third gate open, or is it
Now-
all the women's?
When the man get the cleats and the mysterious gate open,
Yeah.
that one open.
Okay.
If not, they don't open.
Okay.
So on the side they have a spot, it open by itself.
Okay.
So now men have to be on laying down, and women have to be on the top, because that gate open when the penis go up, it exactly hit on the side of the cervix. Because if you hit on the cervix, the woman get infection and pain.
Okay.
But when it's open, it's so much fluid, and when women on the top, the uterus are coming down a little bit more, and the penis go up, it hit right on that point. And when it hit on the point, boom, they think the brain are connecting, because it's like hit to the brain.
Okay.
Because this one connecting to the brain.
Okay.
Yeah. So when you put out there, now the woman just have to learn how. So we have an exercise for women to do the sacrum. So they have to move the sacrum. So the woman have to do back and forth, back and forth, back and forth, spiral, spiral, back and forth, back and forth. A few times only, the woman get ejaculation, and now the uterus.
Okay.
Now the man feel it, because the penis is right on the spot.
Okay.
And that spot squeeze on the grand penis.
Okay.
And the man feel, oh my God, I'm in heaven.
Okay. And then you're done. The 3 gates are over.
Oh, but you can over again.
Oh, then you go over and over again, over again.
Yes.
Okay.
So you have to be 1 hour.
Okay.
No 1 hour is not. The most important part, one, you get one gate open, the energy.
Okay.
You bring the orgasm upward to the liver, to the spleen. Now you make love again. The second gate open, you have more energy.
For the man and the woman.
Man, woman, the same.
Okay.
So whoever want to heal anything, any organ problem, you bring that orgasm, love and orgasm into that organ and wrap them around.
Okay.
In the workshop, we have slides.
I believe you.
Show them.
All right, this is a lot of information, Master Chia, and I appreciate it. And I think people are learning a lot. Is there anything you want to say in summary of all of those sexual practices? Anything just to finish off that description?
The whole key is
practice?
their love, compassion, have to go together with the arousal orgasm.
Okay, so
And
it's
that's
not
the whole
just
key.
about the arousal and the orgasm. There has to be the love and compassion in there, and you pull that up through the
Without
organs as well.
that, like chemical A and chemical B, you put aside, then nothing happen. You put chemical A and chemical B together. Love can multiply, sex can multiply. You put together, boom, the double multiply force.
Okay.
That is the key.
Continue watching this fascinating conversation for free by clicking on the link below to visit our website, learn from the best minds in the world, and connect with a community of passionate people building the best versions of themselves. Just click on the link below, and I'll see you on the inside.